Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another giveaway by Z Watch Faces, and I'm telling you, I'm loving this one. Now, some of you all liked the last one by Z Watch Faces, some of you didn't. So let's see if you like this one. Stay tuned. We're about to kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got 11 more watch faces to give away by Z Watch Faces. Thank this guy in the door for these freebies, this donation. Thank you, Z Watch Faces. We do appreciate it. Now listen, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna review this watch face, but make sure you comment in the comment section down below so you can have a chance to win a free watch face. Now, some of you all didn't like the one before, it was too busy. Maybe you might like this one. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this off. The name of the watch face is called Stealth. Definitely for an analog watch face, this one looks pretty awesome, right? In always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look. It's just gonna be dimmed down with no color in the AOD mode. Once it's on, I'm liking the look of this watch face. I'm liking the look of the color. Now, this video isn't gonna do it justice because the color is a lot richer in person. If you really want to see what it looks like, go ahead, check this out in the Gear Manager store and you'll get an idea of what it's gonna look like once you win this watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, you're going to get the name at the top. You come down to the left, you get the day of the week. To the right, you get your date. Down at the bottom, you get the name of the developer. You also get your battery percentage with a needle, dead center, along with the number percentage of where you are with battery life. Now, what really stands out about this watch face to me is the hands. If you look at it, it has a hint of light. I thought that added a lot of character to the watch face, along with the fact that you do get a second hand that ticks around the bezel of the watch. So this looks really good, and it is interactive, so I can set an alarm. I can go in and get my calendar, set an event, things of that nature. And if I double tap anywhere on the watch, I can get rid of the indexes and I can go with the straight analog look. Double tap again, different color comes up, and we're going to cycle through all the colors just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you win this watch face. I'm telling you, the Z Watch Faces got down on this one, but you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I know it's Friday. I know you're getting ready to go out. This watch face just might fit the bill. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button on the way out. Now, if you could, share this on your social media, share this with your friends. And listen, make sure you hit the thumbs up on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. All right, you all, if you're going to party, have fun, enjoy, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.